So this light here wasn't working. There was a couple LEDs that were pretty dim. So in order to get in there and take a look at the circuit board, you gotta take the lens cover off, which is glued to the back. So this one's busted. We already changed it with another one, so this is just junk, but I'm gonna take this apart, or try to, without breaking this. I've heard of people putting them in the oven before, so I'm just gonna try to use a heat gun and see if we can get it apart.
Just heat it up a bit and just snapping the clips off? Or is it
I don't know if it's like glue that they use. Seems like it. Looks like there's maybe a lip on the inside of the lens, the outer portion of the lens. But it's coming off.
Doesn't sound the best, but I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how it looks. Not bad. Oh, fuck it.
This side I didn't heat up at all, so.
You just tried it.
Yeah. And the lens is getting scratched to hell from all these metal filings on there, but whatever.
Yeah.
Junk anyways.
This is not a how-to. This is a showing you what's underneath.
Yeah. Experiment. I think so this was like the side that I heated up, this and this. So the heat definitely let the glue go a little bit. Like this side wasn't too bad. When I started in this corner, but you can see like there's a lip on the inside of this. So if you had like the pick or screwdriver or whatever you use too far in, it would catch. And it was
So you just got to prime the plastic with heat applied.
Yeah. Anyhow, we'll get this out now. And then I think I just take these screws out, and then this piece should come out of this backing. I guess it's whole other thing, yeah.
Layer.
Let's give that a try. Probably like... There's that.
Snap in there.
Yeah, it was 4 Torx screws. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, and here's the assembly.
Yeah.
So you could replace that, kinda.
Yeah. So, oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Wouldn't want to use the same size screw on the entire light. That would make too much.
What size Torx bit is that?
This one's a 10, T10.
Oh! Wow.
Nice.
That is really weird how they do it.